How to find deleted listing Facebook Marketplace. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to find deleted listing Facebook Marketplace. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch any web browser on your device. Click search bar and type in facebook.com. Press enter on your keyboard. Now you have to log into your account. Enter the password. Now once you get access to your Facebook page, you simply need to, or Facebook homepage, simply click on Marketplace at top left corner of the screen. Now from this left section, click Settings, and here you can easily create new listing clicking on Create New Listing section or bottom. So if you have the list of all the items that you have put up for sale as of today, so there is no such option as you can find your deleted items. However, you can archive them or you can also take them as sold. So that is how we can easily find the deleting or deleted listing Facebook Marketplace. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.